Hi guys, I hope if I can find anybody can help me. I buy interface box from China. I have car 3008 2019. I have two problem. If you can see here, I have Wi-Fi from I have router in my car, Huawei router. It's connected, and if we are coming to YouTube example, the Wi-Fi is connected, but there is no signal. Cannot search anything in the YouTube or in the Google search. That is the first problem. Will search long time for nothing. That's Wi-Fi from my Huawei router. Okay, now I will stop it, and you can know I have DSP sound in my car, and that's one. It's include DSP equalizer, and I cannot do anything with the Wi-Fi. But if I change the Wi-Fi from the router to my mobile, I can have Wi-Fi. I will show you. Now I stop the Wi-Fi from my router and connect it to my mobile. You can see here. I will wait until find my mobile. Now it's connected to my mobile Wi-Fi. Okay, we go back to YouTube. That is the first problem about Wi-Fi. Okay, now YouTube will start search, and I think will open now. You can see it's open now. Start any video. Now the second problem, you can see the second problem, I don't have sound, voice. If I turn from here, you can see, or from here, nothing. And if I go back to my car, you can hear the voice. That's the radio. It's working. And if I go back to the Android interface, nothing. I hope if anybody can help me to upgrade or make update to the system, and I will go back to show you the system. I have it about device. That the system information. I will put picture for the interface box, include the video. Again, my problem, the voice cannot, the sound cannot work, plus the Wi-Fi cannot work with the Wi-Fi router, only from my mobile. but also if that is working in my from my mobile, the Wi-Fi, but there is no sound, I cannot hear anything. I hope if anybody can help me. Bluetooth, it's working, everything it's working perfect. I don't have any problem with this. Here I need to go to YouTube map. The GPS is working, but not fast. Now because I have already Wi-Fi for my mobile. And the GPS. But if I need the sound coming back, I need to remove the power, I cannot see now, from the interface and look it again to start from a new to have the voice and the Wi-Fi. But when I turn off my car and start again, the voice and the Wi-Fi will gone. I hope somebody can help me to have a new update to for my system.